How's it going? This is the Fahren LED headlights. Does look nice overall. The box was not damaged. Everything is good. The tri-clip right here, well, I'm gonna call it the tri-clip. I'm not too sure what it's called, but yeah, this one is tight. But then for this one right here, it's really, you see it's loose and you can spin it out, falls right off. And if you look around it, looks kind of damaged, though I bought like a new box. This is for a Honda Civic. Other than that, the package came nice. It was in an Amazon Prime package. The box product was inside a bag. It seemed pretty concealed from like anything. Other than that, it's just that little piece right here that when I was looking at it, what I've inspected, just that piece around here. A little bit weird. Come on, gimme. No. And that's about it. Thanks, guys.
Just installed my LED lights. Amazing, guys. I recommend it. Mazda 2017. Beautiful. And it's not blue, it's like really, I don't know, I have a Mazda CX-5 and they really look the same.
These are the new headlights that I just purchased. We're replacing this Sylvania 9005. As you can tell, it's 9005. Here's the bulb. It snaps right in, although there's a problem because it says this is CAN bus ready. Well, let me show you what it does. Okay, so when you start it, okay, start the car. So this is your daytime running lights, and when you pull on the lever, okay, this is your high beam. So they say they're CAN bus ready. Sorry, but it doesn't work. Low beam. Hang on. Low beam. High beam. Low beam. Yeah.
Maybe it's 6:45. Maybe I'm barely alive. Maybe you're taking my shit for the last time.
Low beams, high beams.
Okay, so I need help understanding this because I reached out to you guys a while ago, but I still not working for me. I mean, I bought these lights, you know, it's been some time now, but I just need your help. So originally, this light was connected straight to these cables. So no socket, just like that. Okay, so I took this light off, and then I bought this extension with you guys on Amazon. So I connected it here with this, and then I connected your light right in there. So now I try to turn on the light. this is what happens. So it doesn't stay on, but the other one, see, on my other side, works. So I contacted you about this, and then you told me that because I needed some type of relation, so you told me, you sent me a coupon and told me to buy this one from you guys, which I did. And still not able to do it. Look, I connected here. So okay. Okay. So like I said, got to this part, and you're like, it still does the same thing. So now that being said, I don't know what else need to do. The only thing I notice is like this box here. I don't know if that's something to do with it, but that came with the car when I bought it. Anyways, if you can let me know.